Every morning we wake up and we look ourselves into the mirrors. What do we see? Do you see a person you love or do you see a person you just dislike? Today, I'll be talking on a very touchy topic that needs to be spoken of, which is self-love. What is self-love? Self-love is that unconditional love you give to yourselves no matter your flaws or your imperfections. It is the love you give when you don't receive any other kind of love. We cannot always rely on external sources for love, and that is where the concept of self-love comes in. A person who loves themselves will not need to be dependent on anyone else to be happy. And it is truly an empowering feeling to be happy on the inside. Self-love is not being selfish. It is just putting yourself first and not being too hard on yourselves. So every time you hear that little voice in your head telling you that you are not good enough or you cannot afford to mistakes, just ignore it and prove that voice wrong. Take this for an example. When our loved ones make mistakes, we often forgive them very easily. So why not forgive yourselves if you make a mistake? After all, humans make mistakes. All we need to do is love ourselves and push the negative things behind us. Eventually, bad times will pass. Self-love is not only a necessity, but it has many benefits that come with it. The first benefit is a greater life satisfaction. When we love ourselves, we instantly change the perspective of the way we see things. Self-love can give us a more positive attitude towards life. The second benefit is that you can encourage yourself to pick up good habits. Why? Because when you love yourself, you not only love yourself, but you love your soul, your body, and your mind. So, obviously, you would want what's the best for you. So, you would rather pick up good habits and drop the bad ones really fast. If you can start loving your body and soul more than others, you will not only work during weekends, but you would rather go for a drive or you would do something that you enjoy doing. You wouldn't go too hard on yourself. The last benefit of self-love is a better mental health. People who love themselves are less likely to go through anxiety or depression. Self-love also plays a positive mindset, which is an essential ingredient for success in life and your mental well-being. In conclusion, I would like to say is that the modern society is shaped in such a way that all of us are bound to compete against each other, even ourselves. And we all are guilty on going that extra mile to reach perfections or the expectation of others. We all strive to be that 10 on 10, but little do you know that you are a 10 on 10 and you do not always need to go hard on yourself. Sometimes give yourself a break, you really need it. And we do this without even realizing it. So if you have a tough week, take the weekend off, travel somewhere, do something that you love. I'm sure this will make a change. And who is happy within themselves will achieve what they want in their lives, whether it be life goals, social interactions, or even having a fun time with your friends. Thank you.